Jodolo mar kanisa mar Jokopere bade Kakamega Joseph Obayi osiro ote mar jodolo mamoko mag din Jokopere ne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kowacho ni jatend piny okawo thuolo kendo owinj malong'o ote mar jodologo mondo mi orangie weche mahinyo oganda jo Kenya. Obayi dwaro mondo mi piny owacho ochuog aput ma tayo yiero manyien ma biro miyo oganda jo Kenya thuolo mar yiero jotelo ma nyalo tiyo ne oganda e yo makare.
Tunaomba na sisi tulifanya hilo kwa wema, so that we can really build a country. We are not doing that so that we destroy any system. No, we are raising issues that are coming from the ground, issues that are real, issues that we get from our people. And when we are raising them, it's not for any evil intention. It is that we can collaborate and see that this country gets what it needs. And we are praying, and that's why we are asking for IEBC and so on, so that people are given their freedom to exercise truly their democratic rights. But it's very important that this Kenya is looked at in a democratic way. Sisi tuna katiba. Tungependa kuona watu wakinyanyaswa. Hapana. Tukiona watu wakizimwa. Hapana. Tukiona watu wakiibiwa. Kuibiwa au nini? Kuna abductions. Yes. That has happened, eh? Yeah. Watu wanapotea. Hapana. That's not like Kenya. And there is no amount of explanation that can tell us that, yeah. No. It's unacceptable in Kenya.